Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Inko, and we're about to make English super easy for you.
Hi everybody, Sophia here. Great to be back.
How you feeling today, Sophia?
I'm feeling good. Got some energy today. You?
Same, I'm pumped, ready to dive into today's topic.
What are we talking about?
We're covering something that sounds scary, but is actually super useful, the present perfect.
Present perfect? That sounds complicated.
Nah, I promise it's not. Once you get it, you'll use it all the time.
All right, I'm trusting you on this one.
Before we start though, quick shout out. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe.
Yeah, and drop a like. Share it with your friends learning English.
Your support helps us keep making these. Appreciate you all.
Okay, Inko, break it down for me. What is the present perfect?
All right, so it's a way to connect the past with right now. It's like the past is touching the present.
I need an example.
Sure, I'll use myself. I have eaten breakfast today.
Okay, so you ate breakfast. That's past, right?
Exactly, but the reason I'm telling you is because it affects now. I'm not hungry right now because I already ate.
Oh, past action, present result.
Exactly. Past action, present result. That's the whole thing right there.
Okay, let me try. I have drunk 3 coffees today.
Perfect. And the result?
I'm super awake and a little jittery.
Ha! That's it. Past action, you drank coffee. Present result, you're wired.
This is making sense. So how do we form it?
Super simple. You take have or has, then add the past participle of the verb.
Past participle.
It's just a special form of the verb. For regular verbs, you add ed, like walk becomes walked.
So I have walked to work today.
Perfect. And with I, you, we, and they, you use have.
What about he, she, it?
Those use has, like she has finished her homework.
Okay, have for most, has for he, she, it. Got it.
Let me ask you, have you checked your phone today?
Oh, a question. Yes, I have checked it like a million times.
Same. I've probably checked mine 50 times already.
Wait, you said already. Is that important?
Good catch. Already means something happened sooner than expected.
So like, I've already finished my work means I finished it fast?
Exactly. It's earlier than people thought. Wow, you've already done that?
Cool. What about yet?
Yet is for questions and negatives. Like, have you eaten lunch yet?
Oh, so I could say, no, I haven't eaten lunch yet.
Perfect. Yet is for things you expect to happen but haven't happened.
This is clicking now. What about just?
Just means something happened super recently, like seconds or minutes ago.
Give me an example.
I've just gotten a text message. It literally just happened.
So I've just arrived means you got here like right now?
Exactly. Very recent past.
Okay, let me practice. Have you eaten today?
Yes, I've eaten breakfast, but I haven't eaten lunch yet.
Nice. You used both positive and negative.
Your turn. Have you talked to your family today?
Yeah, I've talked to my mom this morning. We've texted back and forth.
Talked. Texted. Both regular verbs with ed. You're getting this.
But what about irregular verbs? They don't all use ed, right?
Right. Some are irregular. Like eat, the past participle is eaten.
So I have ate is wrong?
Yep, it's I have eaten.
Okay, give me more irregular ones.
Drink becomes drunk. Go becomes gone. See becomes seen.
I have drunk coffee. She has gone to work. They have seen that movie.
Perfect. Those are some of the most common ones.
What about do?
Do becomes done. I've done my homework.
And make.
Made. I've made dinner for tonight.
These are tricky. Do I just have to memorize them?
Pretty much, but you use them so often they stick. Don't stress it.
Okay, so let me ask you some real questions about your day.
Go for it.
Hey, Inko, how's your day going?
It's going good. I've already finished most of my work, so I'm feeling relaxed. You?
Nice. I've been super busy. I've answered like 50 emails today.
50? That's a lot. Have you taken a break yet?
Not yet. I've been nonstop, but I'm about to grab lunch.
Good idea. I've already eaten. I had a sandwich like an hour ago.
Lucky. I'm starving. Have you seen that new show everyone's talking about?
Yeah, I watched the first episode. It's pretty good.
I haven't started it yet, but I want to. I've heard great things.
Nice. See how natural that sounds? We're just having a conversation.
True. Okay, another one. Have you worked out today?
Nah, I haven't worked out yet. I'm planning to later though.
Same. I haven't exercised yet, but I want to.
That's perfect use of yet, something we plan to do but haven't done.
This is actually fun. Let me try a longer answer. Today, I've woken up early, I've made breakfast, I've checked my emails, and I've studied some English.
Yo, that was smooth. 4 present perfect verbs in one sentence.
Thanks. It's feeling more natural now.
That's how it happens. The more you use it, the easier it gets.
Can we talk about been and gone? I always get confused.
Oh yeah, that's a good one to clarify. Gone means someone went somewhere and they're still there.
So like, she's gone to the store means she's at the store right now?
Exactly. She left and hasn't come back yet.
And been?
Been means you went somewhere and came back.
Oh, so I've been to the store means I went and now I'm back.
Perfect. Been is about experiences or completed trips.
So if someone asks, have you ever been to Paris? They want to know if I've had that experience?
Exactly. Ever is for life experiences. Have you ever been to Japan? Have you ever tried sushi?
And if I haven't, I say, I've never been to Japan.
Yes, never for negative experiences. I've never eaten snails. I've never seen snow.
Wait, really? You've never seen snow?
I have, actually. That was just an example.
Okay, good. Let me ask you, have you ever traveled alone?
Yeah, I have. I've traveled to a few places by myself. It's fun. You?
I've never traveled completely alone. I've always gone with friends or family.
See? That's natural conversation right there.
This is way easier than I thought. What about negative sentences?
Just add not after have or has, but we usually contract it.
Like haven't and hasn't.
Exactly. I haven't finished, or she hasn't called.
So I haven't done my laundry yet, or he hasn't eaten lunch yet.
Perfect examples. You're crushing this.
Thanks. Let me try a full conversation. Pretend we're friends catching up.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, Inko, how's your day going?
It's going good. I've already finished most of my work, so I'm feeling relaxed. You?
Nice. I've been super busy. I've answered like 50 emails today.
50? That's a lot. Have you taken a break yet?
Not yet. I've been nonstop, but I'm about to grab lunch.
Good idea. I've already eaten. I had a sandwich like an hour ago.
Lucky. I'm starving. Have you seen that new show everyone's talking about?
Yeah, I watched the first episode. It's pretty good.
I haven't started it yet, but I want to. I've heard great things.
You should. It's worth it.
Wow, that felt totally natural.
It did, and you used present perfect like 8 times without thinking about it.
I know. It just flowed.
That's exactly how it should feel. It becomes automatic.
So when do we use this instead of just simple past?
Good question. Use present perfect when the past action connects to now somehow.
Give me an example of both.
Sure. Simple past, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. is just a fact, a specific time.
Okay.
Present perfect, I've eaten breakfast already, so I'm not hungry. The past affects the present.
Oh, I see the difference.
Another one. She went to Paris in 2020. Simple past, specific time.
And present perfect would be?
She's been to Paris before. It's about her life experience, no specific time.
That makes so much sense now.
Present perfect is about the connection, the result, the experience, not the specific moment.
I get it. This is actually super useful.
right? You use it all the time in real conversations.
Let me test myself. I've just woken up, or I woke up at 7.
Both correct. First one emphasizes it was recent, second one gives the specific time.
Cool. What about I've lost my keys, or I lost my keys?
I've lost my keys means you don't have them now. The present is affected.
And just I lost my keys is just stating a past fact.
Exactly. Context matters, but yeah.
Inko, this has been so helpful.
Glad it clicked for you. Let's do a quick recap for everyone.
Good idea. Structure, have or has plus past participle.
Use it to connect past actions to the present.
Just for very recent actions, already for things that happened early, yet for expected things that haven't happened.
Ever for life experience questions, never for negative experiences.
Been when you came back, gone when they're still there.
That's a solid summary.
I feel like I can actually use this now.
You definitely can. The key is just practice.
Speaking of practice, let's give our listeners a challenge.
Love it. All right, everyone. Think about your day.
What have you done today? What haven't you done yet?
Drop a comment below. I've eaten breakfast, or I've studied English, or I haven't exercised yet.
We read all the comments. It's great practice for you.
And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
Hit that like button, share this with your English learning friends.
Thanks for hanging with us today. This was a good one.
Super helpful. I've learned a lot.
See, you just used it.
I did. It's becoming natural.
That's the goal. All right, everyone, keep practicing.
You've got this. See you next time.
Peace out. Catch you later.